The Greater Noida Authority is gearing up to provide 24/7 water supply to households and will soon install smart water meters across the city. Hello friends, welcome to MBTV. I am Ravi Kumar Divakar and today we are going to discuss how the long wait for Ganga water supply may soon come to an end for lakhs of residents in Greater Noida housing societies and independent houses. According to Greater Noida Authority, the Ganga Jal scheme is expected to cover 38,000 units under this project and 90% of these will be domestic connections. In the last couple of years, this region is witnessing rapid growth in population and the authority has to meet the demand of 10 lakh residents for which they will have to have a daily supply of 210 million of liters in a year. Currently, the water is supplied for few hours in the morning and evening in independent houses. Water is extracted from the ground and then treated before being transferred to water tanks in various sectors across the city. In the high-rise societies, the water is extracted from the ground and directly supplied to overhead water tanks after the cleaning.
तो हम लोगों को दो तीन चीज़ें डिस्कस करनी है क्योंकि हम लोगों को जो हैंडओवर मिला है, मैंने पहले भी कहा आप लोगों को, क्योंकि उसके अरियर्स पहले तो पेड हो जाने चाहिए। क्योंकि जब हम RWAs हैं, हमें हमारा जो पीछे वाला जो देनदारी है, जो कि बिल्डर की देनदारी है, तो एक तो अथॉरिटीज़ ये अश्योर करें कि वो पीछे की देनदारी बिल्डर से लें और आने वाली देनदारी हमसे लें। दूसरा, इसका ये जो पूरा मैकेनिज्म रहेगा इसको सेटअप करने का, किस हिसाब से ये प्रीपेड मीटर्स चलेंगे, क्योंकि देखिए ऐसा है, बगैर बिजली के आप रह सकते हैं 2-4 दिन, लेकिन बगैर पानी के आप एक दिन सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते। तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जो अथॉरिटी है ये हमारे साथ जो है डिस्कशन करेगी, हम लोगों को इसमें लूप में रहेगी, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि वाटर मीटर्स यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल्ड हों, लेकिन उसका क्या मैकेनिज्म रहेगा उसके लिए टू साइड कॉन्वर्सेशन होने की ज़रूरत है। हम हमारी चीज़ें कहें, जैसे कि बिल्डर अरियर्स पहले पे करे, मीटर्स को जो चलाने वाली एजेंसीज़ हैं किस हिसाब से काम करेंगी, इंस्टॉलेशन का क्या कॉस्ट आएगा, उसको कैसे मिनिमाइज़ किया जा सकता है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसके ऊपर हमें टू साइड कॉन्वर्सेशन अथॉरिटीज़ के साथ करने की रिक्वायरमेंट है।
The authority hitherto imposes fixed annual charges as per the size of the plots and not as per the consumption. However, there have been social activists who have been demanding from the authority to charge as per consumption. The current charges vary between Rs 1,284 and Rs 14,892 for plot measuring between 60 square meter and 1,100 square meter. The Greater Noida Authority has already initiated the process to select the agency for installing smart water meters. This process began on November 11 and expected to complete by December 2020. According to Greater Noida Authority, these water meters will also be placed in the 84 apartment complexes and 63 group housing projects developed by the authority in the city.
See, it's a horrible water that we do get. I'm sure people, those who stay in Greater Noida West, they know that the groundwater is a really hard water. People tend to have skin disease versus hair loss, etc. So this was really prevalent. And I don't know, when authority says it's going to be a Ganges water, so to say, so it's not going to be just the Ganges water और गंगा water नहीं होने वाला है। पर हाँ, अगर इसकी वाटर की क्वालिटी और जो वाटर इंडेक्सेस हैं उसके ऊपर अगर ये खरा उतरता है, इसको कोई मॉनिटर करने वाली कोई संस्था रहे साथ साथ जो इसकी रिपोर्ट्स भी पब्लिश करे, तो ये वाटर बेटर होगा। हाल फिलहाल में हालत बहुत ख़राब है।
Each apartment complex will be treated as a single unit and a bulk meter connection will be provided to them. The authority will also cover some industrial, IT, commercial and institutional establishment under the project. Initially, only a semi-bulk meters connections will be provided for entire block instead of an individual connection. The Ganga Jal supply in Greater Noida is expected to begin in April next year, and post that smart meters will also be installed. Officials said that cost estimates will be finalized once agency selected to execute the project provides the quotation for providing meters to a domestic, institution, IT, industrial or apartment users. Ganga water supply will bring a relief to lakhs of residents who are currently living and will live in near future here. Greater Noida population is expected to grow as more and more group housing societies are getting completed here and people have started shifting to their flats. The existing residents totally rely on groundwater supply, for which they have to pay a fixed amount to their society maintenance agencies. Once these smart meters are installed, they will have to pay as per the consumption. Thank you so much for watching this MBTV show. For more, keep watching MBTV and don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Facebook. I am Ravi Kumar Divakar, signing off with my cameraman Nitin Rajput.
Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV on YouTube and press the bell icon to get the latest videos.